Hey guys, this is Adi3254. Today I'm unboxing Bose Stone 170 Bluetooth speakers and some Bose earphones. So I'm gonna unbox the earphones for now. I'm gonna keep this aside. You can see over here, these are super extra bass angled 3.5 universal 3.5 mm universal jack ones. So they will work with any type of phone or something like that. They have my mic in them and they are tangle-free wire. So guys, these are the Bose Lit Vibes earphones. So you can see they have done the branding over here in the front. Here they have mentioned the features of the earphone. So here we can see these are super extra bass ones. They have angled 3.5 mm jack. So that's good, that's a universal jack, so it will work with any device. They have a mic inbuilt in them, and also they have tangle-free cable, so it's not gonna be very hard to use them. You can see here's the seal and one over here. So now I'm gonna unbox these. I'm gonna cut these seals. So guys, these are the earphones. They have some extra buds in there. The earphones themselves. Okay, I'm gonna see these later. And here are some paperworks, manuals of some kind. And this is, so you can see these are the earphones. Looks quite good. This is the 3.5 mm jack, so it's a universal one. It works with every type of device. And these are tangle-free wires, so you don't have to, solve them every time you keep them in. They won't be tangled. We've got these extra earbuds, so that's a good thing. These could get handy. So now I'm gonna be unboxing this Bose wireless portable Bluetooth speaker. This is okay. So here you can see this is the speaker. They have done the base. This is portable yet powerful. This is the Stone 170 speaker. They've done branding over here and here, and some information over there. So here are the features of the speakers. So they have extended battery, that's 1800 mAh. They can work for 6 hours. They have Bluetooth connectivity, 4.2 Bluetooth, and they have fabric coated portable lightweight design. That's good. They also support aux and SD card. They have integrated controls to set the vibe. And they are water and sweat resistant, so that's a good one if you take it to beach or swimming pool or something. You can see here's the seal. Okay, now I'm gonna unbox these. Yeah, I'm gonna do this now. Okay, so I'm open the seal. So now comes the cables. I'm gonna see them later. This is some paperwork, not interested. And it has warranty over it. That's 1 year warranty, I think. Okay, now let's see. So guys, these are the speakers. So you can see over here. Okay, this looks quite good. Okay, so you have SD card, charging, aux. Yeah, that's all. They don't support pen drive and stuff, so you cannot use pen drive in them. Okay, so below here these are the control buttons. This is the this is the play pause button, volume up and down button, and the connectivity button. Okay guys, I'll see you later. Thank you for watching.